How to remove Gmail access from unwanted websites. So what you're gonna have to do is just go ahead to your preferred browser and search for Gmail. So once you're in your Gmail, go ahead to the top right, which is basically your accounts, and choose whichever account you're going to remove access from the websites, and press on manage your Google account. So it's gonna lead you to another tab, but here you're gonna have to navigate yourself to third-party connections. So in third-party connections, you'll be able to see all the total apps and services, including websites that you have signed in or basically had connection with your account. So just go ahead and choose whichever. In our case, we're going for maybe Candy AI over here. What you're gonna have to do is press on that on, and you can go ahead and press on delete all connections you have with Candy AI from this account. So over here, then you're just gonna go ahead and confirm. But that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.